Shalom. This is Pastor Johnson of the Congregation of Yahweh. We have to start to share with you. Beginning in January, we will be on Tuesday evenings at 9 o'clock rather than on Monday evenings. So we've been changed to Tuesday evening, but at the same time at 9 o'clock every week for a while. So look for us. We'll be there. Hallelujah. Miss Stacy.
Just in case will be your first time watching us, just know that for every message that we do, we have a magazine that's available, and all you would have to do is write to us at the Congregation of Yahweh, the Restoration Message, Post Office Box 5917, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, 15210, or you would be able to call us at 431-9787. Our magazines are always free, and we covered your prayers, and we hope that you will enjoy our program as you see it. And if you have any comments or questions, just always feel free to call us or write us. And as we always close, when we do anything, we always say, hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Praise you, Yah.
Hallelujah. Thank you, Father.
Hallelujah.